Midjourney just dropped video, and I don't say this lightly, it's jaw-dropping. Realistic motion, emotional expressions, drone shots, fashion films. This isn't a toy, it's a cinematic tool. For brands, creators, and anyone making visual content, this changes everything. Let's dive in. Midjourney's new video feature takes a still image, generated or uploaded, and animates it into 4-second to 20-second clips. It doesn't just move pixels. It creates motion that feels real. Faces emote, hands articulate, even water ripples and cloth flows like it's physically simulated. It's not text to video, it's image to video, which gives you precise control. We've tested Runway, Sora, Google VO, and yes, they're impressive. But Midjourney wins with one thing: style and consistency. This is not janky AI movement. This is near production quality motion design with a single image. Want to fake UGC product shoots? This is your shortcut. This feels like TikTok meets Vogue. Perfect for brands doing influencer-style content without talent or crew. Sci-fi! You know Midjourney was going to crush this category. Oh, the lighting, the movement, the ambition. You can make VFX shots that would cost hundreds of thousands to film, surprised for $60 a month. Drone flyover shots. Need a cinematic opener? Midjourney's got you. These clips are pure aesthetic flex. They're ideal for establishing shots in ads, trailers, pitch decks, anything that needs a wow opener. And the 3D motion here, unreal. You'd swear it was a drone until you realize it can't be. Word. Cartoons and animation. This caught us off guard. But the animated styles are incredible. Whether you're channeling Pixar, Studio Ghibli, or Robot Chicken, the motion is smooth, the vibe is tight, and the consistency across frames? Shockingly good. How it works. You generate a base image in Midjourney or upload your own. Then choose low or high motion, auto or manual. Manual lets you animate precisely. Pricing and limitations. It's $10 per month for basic, $60 per month for unlimited video. Each 4-second video equals 8 GPU minutes. You'll want to switch to relax mode if you're generating at scale. Downsides? No native audio, no text to video, some prompt moderation, e.g. no kissy face girl, no John Wick clones. This isn't a toy. This is prototyping for film, ads, and content at scale. Midjourney Video is now a creative superpower in your pocket. If you're a CMO, a brand, a solo creator, now is the time to test it. The bar just moved, and it's moving fast. Drop a comment with what you want us to test next, from video tools like Midjourney to AI agents, voice tools, or anything your team's curious about. And don't forget to subscribe. We break down the most useful AI tools for creatives, marketers, and businesses trying to stay ahead.